When you are in Jamaica and you idle,
Good afternoon, good evening, good night, my people, in which part of the world on a day. You ever hear them say, a devil find work, get haggle people do? Yes, man, tell me just to haggle up myself because I'm in this big Bombay mango tree and I know mango time yet. But I just feel like climbing the mango tree because I just there and just a relax, peace and tranquility. Why, my people? These things take me down a memory lane. Remember back in the day when me was a little picnic, me would have climb up in a mango tree, up a bush. And when a mango time, me would have pick mango and then go down, go sit down there and eat mango. When night come, my belly would have hot me. Me have to run, go to a pit latrine, and you know what next. My people, them they are memories, you know. What are the memories you have of growing up as a little child in a Jamaica? I climb with a mango tree, breadfruit tree, apple tree, coconut tree. Me have too much memories, my people. As always, Mama Selva have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night. Any which part of the world on there. Who say Jamaica no nice?